Make OpenClaw talks for free. So as you can see, I'm within OpenClaw, and from the chat over here, I have the option to come and then turn on the speaker icon just like this. And when the speaker icon is on, whenever I chat with OpenClaw is going to voice this out. I'm going to ask it what it thinks about AI agents and then humans, and I'm going to click on send.
My day is going well, thank you for asking. AI agents are essentially computer programs designed to perform tasks autonomously. Think of them as digital assistants that can understand their environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals, often without direct human intervention. They are the brains behind many AI applications you might interact with, from chatbots to recommendation systems and beyond.
So I'm simply going to say thank you, okay, and I'm going to send it.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
So as you can see, OpenClaw just speaking, and I built it right inside Replit. Okay. So all that you have to do is simply come here to Replit, come to project and come and select it. So from here, from the project, you see that I have run OpenClaw right inside Replit. Let me open it for you to see. I have a full video step by step inside the video description, show you how to do this. Okay. So you can click on it and then watch it. After that, simply come and then paste in the prompt at the chat option just like this. Now I've pinned the prompt at the comment section below. You can copy it, come and paste it right here, and come and click on submit. And that is all that you have to do. Okay. Replate agent is simply going to build the voice for you, okay, and then add it right inside your chat. So as you can see, that successfully built it and then added it right inside OpenClaw. So all that you have to do is simply come here and then come and click on view a new tab, okay, and then OpenClaw will be open just like this, and you can start chatting with it. All that you have to do is simply come in and turn on the speaker icon just like this, so that OpenClaw will start speaking when you chat with it. So I'm going to send this message.
Understood. I'll be here when you need me.
So this is how to do it, okay. Like the video and then see you in my next video.